Hello, welcome back. This is my last video unboxing skincare products, and if you see my face a little bit shiny, it's because I just finished my video applying my Dior skincare, my Dior Capture Total cream and my Dior Capture Total serum. So I'm not going to apply any makeup right now because my skincare is still on top, and I'm not going to and I want to keep my face with the minimum makeup today. So I just have makeup on my eyes and a little bit on my lips. So in my previous video, I wanted to do the experiments and review my Capture Total cream and Capture Total serum from Dior. And I wanted to experiment if it works with my new vitamin C from Misha. So I apply the vitamin C first, and then I apply the serum second, and my cream third. So, and they work good. I'm really happy with the result. My skin did apply it like a little bit over 10 minutes, and my skin still looks very like kind of wet. So since I applied the cream and the serum, it's very rich. The cream is very rich. Perfect for dry skin, and for nighttime it's still on top, and I need to wait maybe 2 hours for it to penetrate my skin and to apply makeup. So I'm not going to apply makeup today, so I'm going to continue with my video without applying any base makeup. But like I mentioned in my previous video, if you want to use these products are really good, but I do recommend to wear during the day the serum by itself, so you can apply a sunscreen and then base makeup, because if you apply the serum and the cream, it's going to be too thick and you have to wait longer to apply your makeup. So that is my tip of the day. If you have these two products, apply only the serum or only the cream a little bit during the day, depending if your skin is extra dry. You can apply a little bit of cream only, or just the serum. If you apply just the serum, it's perfectly fine, because that's how it works for me, and it doesn't get dry during the day when I wear makeup. So I apply the serum, my sunscreen and makeup, and I'm good for the day. Because if not, if you apply the serum and the cream, you're gonna get this beautiful result, and you won't be able to apply makeup after a few hours when your skin have absorbed both products. So leaving the skincare, my previous video aside, I'm going to unbox today's box. This order is from, I don't know where it's in Asia, if it's in Korea or in China. I'm not sure where the store is located, but I know they sell a lot of Asian products, and I wanted to try a few new to me products that they only sell on that store. Let me tell you, I was kind of scared when I ordered for the first time from them, because the order took almost a month to reach to my house. I live in Texas, so I was kind of, oh my God, I lost my money. So I emailed them a few times until they reached back to me, and they said that the order was ready to ship, that they were having some warehouse problems. So I really don't know what happened. So I think they forgot about my order, but I finally have my order here with me, and let me show you what I ordered from the Asian store. I think they sell Korean product, Japanese product, and I'm not sure it's Chinese, but they sell Asian products on that online store. So let me show you what I ordered. Let's see what I ordered. It's very well packed. Let's open this. Ooh. Oh, good, it's a bag. Let's see. Oh, wow, yes. I wanted to try this eye cream for face. I know, ice cream for face. Ice cream. I wanted to try this A.H.C eye cream, real eye cream for face. This is an eye cream that can be used all over your face, and I've been wanting to try this. This is the next product I ordered. It's another A.H.C Youth Lasting Real Eye Cream for Face. And I also ordered this sunscreen. This is called Suncut UV Perfect Essence Super Waterproof. That's why I ordered it. SPF 50 plus, and it has 4 pluses. It's PA plus 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 plus. Made in Japan. From Kose. And the last product is this Donginbi. This is made in Korea. I wanted to try this Red Ginseng Daily Defense Essence. This is a type of serum, if I am not mistaken. And I wanted to try it because they say that red ginseng is one of the best ingredients for skincare. So this is a daily anti-aging essence. I think it's like a serum filled with powerful regenerative energy of red ginseng and RG ginseng biome to firm, contour, and bounce skin. I can't wait to try this, but I'm gonna wait until I finish my Dior products and also another one from Misha that I already opened. Let's see how the red ginseng looks like. I'm not going to show you the texture today because I don't wanna open it yet, since I have other serums that I'm using right now. But in the future, I'm gonna do the first impression and show you how the products look like. I'm just gonna show you the bottle. Oh, wow. Oh, this is really nice. Wow. It's plastic. It's not glass. But it's really nice. And it comes with this brochure. It tells you the steps on how you can do your facial routine here. And all the information about the product in different languages. So this is the first time I am ordering this product. I also wanna order the cream, but the cream is a little bit expensive, so I'm gonna wait until I finish my Dior and other products that I have so I can buy the cream and try both. Let's see if it has English somewhere over here. Yes, it says Donginbi is a product company from 1899. Wow, 1899. Direction for use. Take an adequate amount and apply evenly on skin. I'm not gonna read you all that because it's very complicated for me to read it, but I'm gonna leave you the link so you can learn more about it. I just know that I wanted to try this after reading a documentary about this product. I mean, about the ingredient, this red ginseng, and how good it is for the skin. So I'm not gonna show you the consistency today and how it looks like from the inside because I don't wanna open it yet. But I'm gonna leave you the link so you can explore more. let me show you how this real eye cream for face look like. I ordered two because one is the newest version and the other one is the previous year version. And one is a little bit thicker and denser and the other one is lighter. I want to use the lighter for the day and the denser, the thicker one for the night. And what I like about this cream is that you can use it for your eye area and also for your entire face and neck and chest. So let me show you how they look like. This is how it looks from the inside, I mean the packaging. And this is the 10 Revolution Real Eye Cream for face. I think this is the one for the 10-year anniversary of their cream, because it says 10 Revolution. I don't know if that's what it is. And it's Real Icon Cream, concentrated eye cream for the whole face. This is the newest version of this cream. I think every year they come out with a new version, but the good thing is that they always sell the previous version. Oh, this is the applicator. It's very soft. I think you can apply it here. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna make another video to show you the consistency and to do the first impression video of this product. Let me show you the other one. This is a smaller. Let me see, this is the 10 Revolution this has 30 ml, 1.1 fluid ounces, or 1.1 ounces. Both have the same amount of product, but this is a little bit larger. The container is larger, I think because of the cup. Let me see. Yeah, they are the same size. The only difference is the cup. This has a golden cup. This is the previous version. And this has a transparent plastic cup. I think it's kind of a special version because this is the 10 Revolution. So if you have tried these creams, let me know what you think. This is the first time I am ordering this real eye cream for face from Korea. This is from the brand A.H.C. So this is the first time. Let me know your experience if you have using them, because for me this is new, completely new. All these products are new to me. Also the Donginbi. Let me know your experience if you use them. And the next product and the last that I ordered from that store online is this SPF 50 plus PA plus 4 pluses. This is a sunscreen and it's super waterproof. I'm going to test if it's super waterproof after we go on vacation and we use it for the beach and the pool. That's why I ordered it, because I wanted to try something different. I have other sunscreens that I have ordered from Supergoop and also Shiseido, but I wanted to try something different from the other side of the world. So I ordered this one. And this is my first time ordering it, and this is from Kose, Cosme Port. And I do trust Kose because I have used their product before. I think they are the owners also from to the order of the Sekisei. I think they also, yes, I think they are the owners, or they make the Sekisei skincare products. I love them. I have used them before. I just haven't repurchased those Sekisei products again because there are a lot of other skincare creams and serums that I want to try. But Sekisei, I keep it in my mind because it's a good, excellent skincare product that I love how it leaves my skin, the cream and the other products. So since I know Kose from Sekisei, I ordered this sunscreen, but I never tried this product. All of these products are completely new to me. I'm going to do another video doing the first impression so I can show you how they look like. But for now, let me show you this one. I will show you in my skin. This one I will open. Super waterproof. Okay, let's see how it's from the, let's see the texture. Oh, the container is plastic and the cap is also plastic, type of yellow golden, like, yeah, it's golden. And also the container is like mustard yellow. I don't know if you can appreciate the color. This is 110 grams. And this is made in Japan. Let's see the texture. It will expire April 20, 2026. Let's see how the consistency. This is how the texture of this sunscreen look like. It's kind of jelly. It looks like a gel, but it's a cream, like a lotion. It's more like a lotion, not a cream. And it doesn't leave any white cast. It's very transparent. It doesn't leave any white cast. I like it. It's like a lotion. It's not creamy. It looks like gel, but it's not gel. It's like a lotion, and it spreads very easily. Now we just need to know if it's actually waterproof. I like it, and I like that it doesn't have any fragrance. That is a big plus. It doesn't have any fragrance, so it's not gonna be bothering me. So this is how it looks like after the cream dries. It doesn't dry my skin. La piel se siente humectada. The skin feels moisturized right now. But I'm gonna tell you how, I'm gonna tell you my experience after I use this cream in the future. I'm gonna tell you my experience with this cream after I use it for the pool or the beach, because it says it's super waterproof. So I hope it is real super waterproof. It feels good because it's not that sticky. It's not sticky at all. Maybe a little bit on my fingers, but on my skin, I don't feel anything. And it doesn't leave any white cast. So right now, I like it. I just need to see if it works. And that's it for this video. I am happy to have new products to try, especially the eye cream for face, my ginseng. Well, I like everything. All of these are great products. I'm going to be doing a first impression video on the future. With this one, I already tried it on my hand and I like it. I just need to know if it's waterproof, and it doesn't peel off. It doesn't peel. So it's good. I just need to know if this is super waterproof and if it works on the beach and in the pool. And I will be doing first impression for this in the future. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.